Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO 9 days ago, to be precise on December 29th of 2024, when the price of this asset was at $4.48, and my main assumption at this very point was that we still have more chances to see this type of price action that potentially might retest 3.63 levels. And this breakout above the range of resistance that I drew at the level of about $4.61 was a false breakout because of the candle, extremely bearish candle that was formed right here. And guys, take a look at its current price action. We were at this point, and despite the fact that we again tried to hit higher targets, we formed the same exact candle but even more bearish, with more bearish volume. And for now we are again hovering inside this formation. And this is the pure evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and let's take a look again at its price action. I have to admit that for now, guys, from the fundamental standpoint, I don't see any news that might support its movement to the upside. And on top of that, from the technical standpoint, I also see only bearish signs. Everything I will show you in just several minutes, but for now, guys, let's take a look at the most recent news related to NIO. First of all, as you can see right here, we have another rating that was made by HSBC on January the 7th, and they downgraded the price target for NIO. Let me show you right here. If you click on this round icon, you can see that HSBC downgrades NIO to hold from buy, adjusts price target to $4.5 from $7.2. And guys, definitely every time when we see this type of downgrade on certain asset, we might anticipate its movement to the downside. And let me show you another quite interesting news. First of all, I want to pay attention to the NIO insurance registrations in China in 2024. NIO registered about 205,030 vehicles. And guys, this doesn't mean that they delivered this type of this number of vehicles. Let me show you this. For the full year of 2024, NIO delivered 221,970 vehicles, up 38.7% year on year, according to data it released earlier this month. It's worth noting that there may be a discrepancy between insurance registrations and deliveries or sales figures published by car makers due to different statistical methods and the execution of overseas deliveries in insurance registrations. And guys, I have to admit that NIO pretty much achieved their goal to deliver 220,000 vehicles by the end of 2024. And on the one hand, it is a very good number, but on the other hand, guys, take a look right here. This is China EV insurance registrations by brand for week ending January the 5th. NIO 3,000 vehicles, and let's take a look at this chart. As you can see, right before the new year they had quite substantial number of vehicles, more than 6.5 thousand, and this means, guys, they achieved this goal by pushing the border even higher, but they cannot hold this line, and that is why, guys, the most recent deliveries is at extremely low level, basically the lowest level for 2/3 of the entire 2024. They delivered on only 3,000 vehicles. And to be honest, all other companies like Li Auto, Xpeng, Tesla has a quite similar decrease in the number of their insurance registrations. Even BYD has the same trend, but it doesn't mean that it might be temporarily, only temporarily decreasing this number. It might happen for quite a long period of time because, guys, let me remind you that Chinese New Year will happen at the end of January, from January 21st, I guess, till February the 8th. And for this period in time, it will be extremely low numbers of production and deliveries for Chinese manufacturers. At the same time, take a look right here. Deutsche Bank's 2025 delivery estimates for Chinese EV trio NIO 450,000 vehicles. And to be honest, it is quite substantial improvement in their deliveries. As you can see, NIO annual deliveries for now, they delivered 221,970 vehicles, but they expect to more than double this number, and it is an expectation from Deutsche Bank. So on the one hand, it is very promising numbers, but on the other hand, guys, for now, unfortunately, I cannot say that fundamentals might support the price section for NIO for upcoming at least couple of weeks. That is why, guys, let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, guys, what should we expect next? First of all, let me show you again these two ugly candles. It is a shooting stars, and usually right after the uptrend, when it appears at the very top of price action, it might lead to the trend reversal. And it happened twice for this asset. And guys, do not be confused with the colors of these two candles. They are pretty much identical in terms of their power, bearish power. On top of that, guys, let me remind you that from 0.5 to 0.65, we have a lot of algorithms who aimed to hit negative 0.236 fib level. And they are still there because their invalidation point above $5 mark. But you can see that we didn't hit this range. That is why they are still aiming to hit this price target. On top of that, guys, let me show you the trick that I use quite often. If you type 9866, it is the same NIO stock but on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. And as you can see, for today's session, NIO lost about 7.14% of its value, and it has quite substantial volume, red volume, and huge candle that pretty much broke even this previous bottom. This means, guys, for the upcoming session and by the end of this week, and let me remind you that tomorrow will be a holiday on New York Stock Exchange. And I have to admit that by the end of this week or at the very beginning of next week, we might retest $4 mark with this stock. That is why, guys, be cautious, and we are still in downtrend. Next major range of support will be this yellow line. It is its previous bottom that it hit back in April of 2024 and beginning of August of 2024. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack.